Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera voice control on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the shutter section and here enable voice, say cheese to take photos. So let's enable this feature and try it out. So cheese. And as you can see, it took a photo. Let's try once again. Cheese. And that's how it works. So simple. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.